Hello, friends. Hope all of you are doing well. If you guys remember, I got accessories for my bike from Honda about a week ago, and a lot of you asked me about one accessory which apparently was not fitted that day. Any guesses, guys? Can you take a wild guess as to what is that accessory which was not fitted that day and was pending? Yes, no, maybe. All right. So I'll go ahead and reveal that. So yes, guys, that's the Honda genuine panniers. So yes, I got my panniers today. The top line service center manager called me yesterday and said, "Sir, your panniers are arrived, so you can come and get it fitted." So here are the panniers, guys. I hope they're visible. So it's fitted to the shock absorber, and it comes this way, and it's fitted out here to the grab rail. So this is how it looks from the side. And similarly on the other side. Yeah, I hope we got a good view of that, and you guys might be a bit surprised and like to know what exactly is this string with barbed wire with a wire inside, a cable type of wire inside. So it's been so thoughtful about Honda actually. So they provided this to be used in this particular helmet lock place because of this pannier design. Because of this pannier design, you really cannot go and probably tie your helmet here. So hence they have provided this, to which you can go ahead and lock your helmet to. So you can lock the helmet to this particular tie. So yeah. So yeah, guys, so these are the panniers, and again very good quality, amazing quality in terms of fit and finish and the strength as well. It's quite durable. Same thing here. And while we take a look at these panniers, this is how it looks from the side. Yeah, looks quite decent, guys. So yeah, while we take a look at this, as for what I've seen in the aftermarket in terms of panniers what come from very well known aftermarket companies, I don't want to name them here, but they price these kind of panniers for close to about 2000 or 3000 rupees. So Honda has priced these at about 850 rupees plus I think 100 odd rupees for the fitting. So panniers both left and right under 1000 rupees is definitely going to give the aftermarket guys for their money, definitely, for sure. So now it's time for them to get more competitive and offer this type of panniers at a very competitive rate. So that's something, guys, food for thought. So I hope I'm sure aftermarket people are also watching this in terms of the pricing, the way Honda has priced their accessories. So yeah, so these are the panniers, guys. So as a bonus, I would like to power on my bike and show the exhaust note. Here it is. So yeah, so that was the amazing thumpy exhaust note of CB350. So yeah, that's pretty much for now, guys. With respect to the accessories, so mostly my bike is very much complete with respect to all the accessories. And yes, if in case I go in for fog lamps, I'll try to get it here or probably here. So that is still to be decided. So I haven't yet decided anything, but yeah, certainly I've just covered about close to 2000 kilometers at this point in time. So you can see 1919. So guys, another thing what I said last time was about the fuel tank range. So I had completely filled up the tank and I've been riding around for 617 kilometers so far, guys. So this is for just bike just came to reserve now. So 617 kilometers of range is what I got from 15 liters of fuel. So that's typically my average at this point in time. So all of these runs are in city, in traffic, on the highway, everything mixed condition. So that's my fuel average at this point. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, happy to interact with all of you and try and answer your queries to best of my knowledge. So yeah, thank you so much, and if you like the content, please do give a like and stay tuned, stay subscribed to get to know of the interesting content what is going to come going forward. Thank you, guys, and have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you.